Hi friends, so we are all set and ready to bake our Nachni banana cake, and the reason we are selecting banana right now is because it's easily available. It helps us in sweetness, helps us to reduce any additional artificial sweetness in it. Plus it's healthy, kids love it, adults love it, it's good even in lot of other things. Good in digestion, high on fiber, my god, what not. Let's start, let's meet both our little chef and Chef Tanay Jariwala and Chef Adesh. Adesh, right?
Yeah.
Chef Adesh. So let's see what all ingredients do we have. Chefs, can you help us? What
We
ingredients
have
do
bananas,
Almonds,
then oil,
curd,
jaggery,
nachni.
and cinnamon in it.
Okay, nachni and cinnamon, nachni atta and cinnamon added in
And?
it. I can see a little amount of wheat flour also. So chef, is it that we have 1 cup of nachni flour and half a cup of wheat flour?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have baking soda and baking powder.
Okay, great. And we have a tin, of course, to bake, and we even do have an oven to bake. So let's start. Who is doing what?
I'm chopping almonds.
I'm squashing the banana.
Please start. Let me capture you both doing it.
These are overripe bananas, fully overripe.
Yeah, so we are using overripe bananas. And any reason, do you know why are we using overripe bananas?
So they can get squashed easily.
Okay, nice. So friends, if you have any overripe bananas at your place, please don't discard it. Start baking a cake out of it. So you guys bake cake every day?
No.
Then?
Not every day, sometimes.
Sometimes, okay. And why did you select this recipe?
Just so you all
Good for
can.
health.
Good for health.
Yeah,
okay.
and you all, if you all have like any overripe bananas, as you told, we can reuse the
Rio, okay. Anybody knows the reason why we are using nachni?
So it's good at digestion and it's a healthy type of atta.
It's a healthy atta.
Yeah.
Anybody knows one more thing about nachni?
No.
It's a very rich and high source in calcium.
Oh.
And plus it's a staple food for Maharashtra. Are we in Maharashtra right
Yes.
now? Yes.
We are right now Mumbaikars.
Mumbaikar. So as a Mumbaikar, we should eat lots of
Nachni.
nachni. Yes. So Chef Adesh is chopping almonds and Tanay he's squashing bananas. Is it ready?
Almost.
Work in progress.
Work in progress. Okay. Which standard are you in, Adesh?
12.
12th. And which standard are you in, Tanay?
5. I'll come in 5 as well.
Okay, now you will be in 5th grade. You are a tiny baby then.
Yeah. Tiny baby.
Tiny baby. And tiny baby loves to dress up like this?
Yeah.
Okay. So is it ready?
Almost.
Tanay? What's the next step, Adesh?
We have to mix the curd and the bananas
and
with the jaggery and atta.
And oil, I think, right?
Yes.
Curd, jaggery and oil,
And
right?
we also need to grease our tin with some oil.
So start greasing.
So first you dip your fingers in the oil.
Uh-huh.
All your 4 fingers.
Mm-hmm.
And you just go straight.
Okay.
Up.
Round the corners.
Yeah, now we'll go like this.
Okay.
You can go anyhow, but just remember to keep going on the same direction and straight.
Okay. Aren't you greasing the base of it?
Yeah, now we'll be greasing the base.
Base, okay. Adesh, are you ready for the second step?
Okay.
Okay, Tanay, will you be discarding those banana peels, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, Adesh.
And please always remember when you are cooking after discarding anything, please wash your hands thoroughly.
Oh, very good tip, Tanay.
You almost ready?
Almost ready? Chalo, let's start the second step. શું કરવાનું છે? Add curd, 1 cup curd. Okay. Jaggery and oil and whisk it well. It's a powdered jaggery, friends. The reason we are using powdered jaggery so that it's very easy to mix.
And most of powder jaggeries, which
It is 1/3 cup
Yeah.
of oil, which is going in it.
And-
all. Adesh, all.
and most of the powder jaggeries which we know are 100% natural. So we are using a 100% natural jaggery.
Yeah,
So it's a healthy cake
it's a super healthy cake.
with banana vitamins, nachni, vitamin C, then curd, cinnamon for taste, and only oil is not healthy.
Who said oil is not healthy?
Sometimes it gives a lot of fats. If you eat a lot, like with a lot of oil, it gives you fat.
Okay, and we are using hardly any oil,
Yeah,
right?
so it's
So it's overall a healthy recipe
Yeah,
is
mixture.
what it. Okay, so mixture is ready. Let's see. Oh yeah, it looks yum. Nice. Now what's the next step, Adesh?
We have to mix the
Nachni.
nachni and the batter.
Aren't we adding baking powder, baking soda? I can see it there. So what's the quantity we are going to
We
add?
have to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, baking powder, and half baking soda.
Okay, please do that. Tane, you can help Adesh to pick up
Yeah.
all the extra vessels. Hello. Okay, and Tane, red.
We are using half tablespoon baking soda.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon,
Half teaspoon. Okay, that's it. So Tanay, ready for next step?
Yeah. And I
Please.
would like to give you a tip. So when you take the baking soda, just hold it and like put your finger on the cup and just straighten it. So it's exact
Half teaspoon.
or
Okay,
1
chef, we got to know. So we are adding our wheat flour, nachni flour and cinnamon atta in it. There goes in.
teaspoon.
Yeah, so mix it.
So please make sure it doesn't fall anywhere.
Okay, or mama like a Hitler is going to scold you. Okay. Mix it.
And remember to take out everything of the whisk so you get more cake.
You get more cake to eat. It's so important, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so whisk is now going for washing. After removing all the extra batter from the whisk, is going for washing. Tanay. Tanay, let's put it for washing.
Okay.
Okay, chef, take it over. And now what's pending? What's remaining?
The almonds.
The almonds. So please add the almonds. And mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps. And there it goes into our baking tin. Can I check the batter consistency?
Please.
So batter consistency is quite thick, almost like we say quite thick, droppy consistency. It's not droppy, it's not flowy, it's quite thick, right? Okay, let's pour the batter into our mold.
Need help?
Yeah.
This is now called teamwork.
Okay guys, so almost our cake is ready and we will see you guys soon with the image of our cake on the same channel, right? See you soon. Bye. See ya. Tada.